All right, so my friend told me that I can come and cook some food here at his restaurant. Shout out to you. There's not much people here, so maybe I can get away with some stuff. Let's go. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the recipe for the video. Here you see me kneading 8 ounces of ground beef, 8 ounces of ground pork, and a tablespoon of Walkerswood jerk seasoning. Now, you don't need much. A tablespoon is more than enough because the spice transfers strongly throughout the meat because of the flavors. Now, once that's formed, we're gonna go ahead and weigh those 8 ounces per patty. And you'll see me doing this slapping motion, which is bringing the meat and the proteins together to form the burger patty. After which, we're going to use a ring mold to form these burger patties. It doesn't take very long because there is beef and pork mixed inside. There's a lot of proteins. The collagen is there to hold everything together, so you don't necessarily need any real binding agents for these. So as you can see, they form very easily, and almost immediately they're ready to go on the grill. It's not an issue if you put them in the fridge for 10 minutes, 20, half an hour, or until you fire up the grill and you're ready to go. The proteins bind easily and without effort, as I've said before. You can go almost immediately from kneading straight to the grill. If you take notice, I haven't put any salt, pepper, or any other seasoning on these burgers because simply it doesn't need it. Once you put the jerk seasoning on there, you need them, they're good to go. So my objective here on the grill is to lock in the moisture and lock in the flavor. I am ultimately looking for these crisscross grill marks, and that will do the job for me. Now I'm in the process of achieving that said crisscross pattern and locking in flavor and moisture. You will notice that upon flipping my burgers, the one closest to me is almost ready. The second one here is looking rather medium, and the one behind is looking more on the rarer side. That way we can have a little bit of versatility. Now, after these are off the grill, we put cheese on them and put them in the oven. Here, I'm in the process of making the jerk mayonnaise. Obviously, you see the mayonnaise. I put a little bit of jerk seasoning in there, give it a little mixy mix. And in order for us to cut through all that richness, all the fatty flavors from the beef and the pork, we need to add lemon juice. Lemon juice will help us to really focus on the flavors that are important to this dish. Moving right along with the assembly. So we have toasted burger buns. We lay our mayonnaise down. On top of the mayonnaise, we put our meat with our smoked Gouda cheese, and on top of that, lettuce, tomato, onions, and we close it up. We're all done. So these jerk burgers literally are to die for. They're juicy, they're flavorful, and they're a little on the spicier side. If you like a little bit of spice, try this recipe. Let me guys know what you think. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Again, my name is Travis. Thank you for watching.